In this video tutorial, we will look at a typical datasheet, explore science notes, and show a Level 2 record and its additional properties. Let's open up our datasheet in Level 1 and find nickel alloys in the material tree. Each record is displayed in the same way. First, we can see some images of both common and technical applications of the material. You can see that nickel is used as a currency and also in high-temperature turbines and toasters. There is a brief description of the material as well as the material's composition. General properties, including density and price, are listed below. Scrolling down, we can see more properties. Note that most of them have two values. These correlate to the typical minimum and maximum for nickel alloys. Yield strength, for example, varies between 70 and 1100 megapascals. If you would like to find out more information about a property, then simply click on the property name or on the eye. Let's choose Young's modulus. This opens a new window. Science notes provide short explanations and definitions. Scrolling down, there is a brief introduction to the fundamental science, and at the bottom, links to further reading. That was for Level 1, aimed at introductory courses. Now let's look at Level 2, for intermediate courses. To change database, in the main toolbar, go to Home, and in the home page, select Change Database. Open Level 2. Level 2 is very similar. We can see we now have two additional data tables, references and producers, as well as more materials and processes than Level 1. We can see an example of this by looking at a record. Let's browse again through the folder structure. As you can see, at Level 2, there are now 3 records available under nickel alloys, one for nickel, one for nickel-based superalloys, and one for nickel-chromium alloys. Let's open the nickel-based superalloys record. We can change the datasheet view between main properties and all properties, which is selected by default. Let's select Main Properties. At first sight, it appears that nothing has changed. We still have our image, caption, description, and composition. Scrolling down, we can see the key properties of a material. Now let's compare it with all properties, and we can see the extent of additional properties available. Scrolling down the page, we are presented with durability data, geoeconomic data, and material processing and recycling data. The amount of environmental information has considerably increased in the Level 2 record. As importantly, Level 2 also includes design guidelines and technical notes. There is also a ternary phase diagram for nickel-based superalloys. At the very bottom, we have links connected to the other data tables. In the next video tutorial, we will introduce the process universe and look at the links between data tables.